Good morning. We are from Group 4. Today, we would like to present about COVID-19 effect on human population in Singapore. Introduction. Informing the population about the health risks posed by the coronavirus disease, as well as what they can do to protect themselves, is the best way to mitigate the spread and reduce the amount of further contagion cases. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. So, how do you get COVID-19? A person can contract COVID-19 if they come in contact with another person infected with the virus, someone infected coughs or sneezes directly to them, or they touch any surface with little droplets from infected people's cough or sneezes and then touch their eyes, nose or mouth. Problem statement. The current COVID-19 pandemic is estimated to be the worst pandemic in world history. However, the effects of the COVID-19 on the world population have never been discussed. The objective of the present study is to investigate the population of Singapore in 2021. This is the Phelan table for human population of Singapore. The upper right Singapore population data shows that population in 2019 was 5.7 millions, while population in 2020 is 5.85 millions. Let's continue with the objectives. The first objective is to investigate the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic on the Singapore population with the intention to discuss the lessons learned from civil engineering mathematics 2. Next is to accomplish the study's objective by applying the ordinary differential equations. And the last objective is to evaluate the effects of the current COVID-19 pandemic on the Singapore population. Let's move to the calculation part. How to estimate Singapore human population in year 2021. First, we have to gather related information. This is a graph that's shown coronavirus case in Singapore. From January 2020 to June 2020, the total number of cases get infected by coronavirus is 43,518. While total numbers of death due to coronavirus is 26 people. Singapore is a small country which located nearby to Malaysia. Human population of Singapore in 2019 is 5,700,000. While in year 2020 of March is 5,850,342 people. In another hand, total numbers of death due to coronavirus is 26 people. Therefore, on the left side shown a pie chart of number of human population in year 2019, year 2020 and total of death due to corona. The collection of information is simplifying to a table, and now we can start our calculation by using first-order differential equation. First, we have to develop first-order differential equation as showed. Next, we have to determine the constant value by using integration, and we will get a new equation which had shown in the figure with red highlight. Then, we have to calculate the constant rate by using t equal to 0 and add in value of initial human population, which is 5,700,000. And we get value of c. Next, we have to solve the equation and get value for the rate of k. After we find out value of c and k, we can start the estimation population of Singapore in year 21. Step 5. We plug in the value of k and t to discover people's of estimation in 2021 without death factor. Thus, 5,926,689 million people's of estimation in 2021 without death factor. Beside, we can calculate the percentage of human population change between year 2020 and year 2021. Therefore, about 1.3% estimation of yearly percentage changed without the factor of death. Subsequently, we find the number of the population in 2021 due to the death factor of coronavirus in year 2020 by using separable equation and formed a new equation as stated in the figure. Lastly, we substitute the value in the new formed equation to calculate the Singapore human population in year 2021, which include the death number of coronavirus. There are 5,926,557 of people in the estimation population of Singapore in year 2021. On the other view, we also can calculate the percentage of human population changed in Singapore to be more easily when comparing the information. Hence, the calculation has been completed. Discussion. Based on the calculation, the human population in Singapore in the year of 2021 will still increase although there is transmission of COVID-19. Thus coronavirus is not the major factor to control the number of populations. Whereas you can see the number of births will replace the number of deaths. There are 26 deaths due to the coronavirus, which sees very minor parts of the overall human population. So the human population will not be affected much by the disease. In conclusion, here are some advice to help prevent the spread of the virus. We should wear personal protective equipment during the outing. For example, we should wear surgical masks or respirators. We should not forget to wear eye or face protection. Lastly, don't forget to wear safety gloves, lab coat or apron. Moreover, we must maintain social distancing, which is at least 1 meter from each other. We have to wash our hands frequently, where you can use either hand sanitizer or hand wash to kill the germs. Make sure to always keep objects and surface clean. And lastly, don't use your hand to touch eyes, nose or mouth. As a responsible citizen, we must each do our part. That's all from us. Thank you.